In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to scale past $100,000 a month in monthly recurring revenue through simple X posts that take just a few seconds to create. If that sounds good, smash that like button and let's dive in. Let's dive into pillar number 2, media engine. You guys are going to love this one. I feel like a lot of people are going to snatch this one up, and a lot of people are going to be doing newsletters because this is a cakewalk, especially with AI. So the 115K subscriber newsletter. So the way this actually works out, there's two ways that you could do. You could either have a completely free newsletter where you feed everybody free content. You lure everybody into it off of this, into your newsletter. They're on your email newsletter, right? You're sending them and nurturing them every day with this free content. And then this is where you can add paid placements. This is where you can do $500 consults. That's your high margin expertise sales. And you could be selling courses, recurring products, recurring subscriptions, different things, school communities, whatever you want. Hustle whatever you want to this newsletter. It's a free newsletter. Hustle to this newsletter. It's yours, right? You build it and that's how you make money off of it, right? The second one is what I mentioned earlier, where you can have a newsletter that you charge $1, $5, $10 for, and as you amass this subscriber amount, that is your money, like serious money right there. And this stuff is just add-on, right? And you would do a lot less of this, right? Because they're paying to be on the newsletter. Say that you had this many people on a newsletter, and the newsletter was $5 a month. Now what would that be? Let's call it $10. We'll just for easy math, that would be $1.15 million a month, right? You'd make $1.15 million a month to have this many people on a $10 a month newsletter. Now, would it take a long time to get them on there? It could. It very well could take a while to get 115,000 people at $10 a month, because there's going to be churn and there's the barrier of getting people in. Now, if you're offering something dynamite, if you're offering some serious service here, then forget about it. You guys can actually do it. But you can do a mix of this, where this is $1 and you do all this stuff still, or this is $5 and you do some of this, or this is $10 and you do very little of this. But whatever your mashup is, there's money to be made with the newsletter. Whether you're charging people for the newsletter, or you're just running ads, or you're selling courses, or you're getting people on the phone. Well, whatever it is for you, but get creative, because possibilities are endless and there's money out there. The whole thing is just the concept of driving traffic, making really good X posts. It doesn't have to be X. That's what I'm talking about in this video, but it can be Reels, YouTube, whatever you want to do, and build the same thing. Build the newsletter. I'm giving you the sauce. I'm giving you the playbook, the strategy, the ideas, and you guys do what you want with them and just get out there, get on the field while there's still time. Use AI to your advantage, make some serious money. Real quick, if you actually want to build and sell your own digital product, start with my $27 guide called Build Your Digital Product in Under 2 Hours. It's everything you need to get started today, and it even includes a bonus course on how to have a successful product launch in 3 days or less. And if you're ready to go all in, my brand new VIP masterclass gives you 10 full courses, 75 plus bonuses like checklists, cheat sheets, and prompt packs, 15 plus custom built interactive tools, and over 10 hours of video lessons with more added all the time. You also get a special invitation into our private community with support from me, my team, and every other member inside. Communities and coaching groups like this usually run $10,000 or more. Mine is under $1,000, but only for the first 100 members, so don't miss out. Links are in the description. Now, back to the lesson. So how do you automate the newsletter? Because you want to scale right here. You can't scale yourself. You're not going to multiply yourself, but you can definitely scale with the strategies, right? So this can be a few different things here. The main thing, you're going to get some low-cost global VAs. So like if you get some people from the Philippines and different places like that, India, you can get some really cheap work, right? You can find different places across Europe and Asia that there's really good English-speaking workers that will do your work very well for you and for a very fraction of the cost, right? So if you make some serious money, you guys can afford to pay these people, and they can outsource. You can outsource and have them do most of the work, and they may even use AI, right? And so if you were going to speed things up with AI, you can teach them your protocol with AI, and now you can have them working, but then they'll work faster because they're using the AI protocol that you made. You made a specific protocol, standard operating procedure. You make sure that they actually follow your orders, what you set out for them to do, but AI is going to speed them up like crazy, and you're already paying them cheap wages. You're already paying them $2, $5, $8 an hour. Come on, guys. You guys are going to seriously multiply it. Now, with the help of AI and with the help of these VAs and this entire content system where you guys are going to funnel people into this. That's why you want this newsletter to be automated. You want to get these guys to basically do this. They're going to oversee everything. They're going to handle all the sourcing and daily curation of all of this content. And then basically you as the operator, you just have to oversee the operation, do any edits, polishes, monitor monetization, and basically put this newsletter, you're providing the same thing every time. So this is where the asset really compounds. This is where it gets really, really good. Okay, so stick with me here. So your news list, you're going to provide more and more content on this list, but it's always going to be, you're basically going to provide the same thing for the same price. So if it's $10 a month, you're going to provide $50 a month worth of content for $10 a month. Well, you're not going to start providing $500 a month worth of content, you're still going to provide $50 a month worth of content. So your VAs are going to do nearly the same work even if the list grows. So that's where your labor cost stays near fixed as the list grows. Your list can just get more and more people at $10 a month, and your VAs are going to use AI, whatever they're doing, to make more and more and more of the same content. Whatever you are providing, provide more and more and more, but they're doing the same hours, they're doing the same work, and your list is just getting bigger and bigger, and that doesn't increase their work. It's not like a school community where if you have to answer all these different questions and go on live stream and have 100 people be trying to talk and do all these different things. It's a newsletter. It's different than that. It's pretty fixed. So this is where you're going to start actually making some serious money, and this is going to scale over time. So the main thing about operations, your curation is outsourceable, but your judgment and the distribution, those are functions that you must always retain. It's basically all you're going to have to do, but make sure that you're always in the loop, making sure that everything is 100, because this is your business and you need to manage it. You don't just outsource it to some third worlders and walk away and it's like no bananas, right? So if you guys want to make some serious money, you put in the effort and you guys will have the fruits of your labor. I can almost promise you that. Right. So you've got 3 stacked revenue lines with only just one audience. You have one audience, you build one audience and put them in the news list. You have 3 different ways that you can monetize this. So your newsletter is the most. X is the acquisition channel that fills it practically for free. So you're basically always just going to teach people on X, funnel people into this newsletter. And if the newsletter is free, even if the newsletter is free, you've got 3 layers to go with. You've got your back-end programs that you're going to sell. That's going to be your products. That's going to be your memberships, whatever it is. So this could be recurring income that you're bringing in from your own lists, right? And number 2, the $500 consults. This basically converts your authority into very high value time. So $500 consults, whether it's you getting on the phone or not, you can basically hire an expert in your field. Say your thing was about real estate. Your X channel is about real estate. Your newsletter is about real estate. You have a real estate expert who you're best friends with, and you cut him in, and he's going to be the person who's doing these consults, right? So you're doing $500 consults, and this could be maybe an hour-long consult, whatever it may be, right? And you pay him, I don't know, $100 an hour, maybe $200 an hour. Maybe you split it 50-50, you're nice, and you do $250, and you give him $250 for the hour. Maybe he gives 2 hours for $250, right? This is all negotiable. This can change. It doesn't have to be a $500 consult. This could be more than that. It could be $1,000, whatever it may be. But the whole concept is, say you split it with this guy, and you're going to give this guy half the money, right? You're bringing in these consults. It's your newsletter list. It's there already. You're helping out a good friend of yours, a real estate expert, and you're basically building deeper connections with him and anybody in real estate that he knows by working together with him. And he makes $250 every time he gets on a consult call with everybody, and you make $250. You don't even have to get on the calls. You don't even have to get on the calls. You own the news list, right? And you could be charging for the list. You could be selling programs, memberships, whatever it is, ebooks. Then you have this where you're offering an actual person, because remember, you could be selling a membership about real estate. You could be selling a course about real estate, and now you have an actual person who will get on the phone and talk to them about real estate too, and you get half of the money. Man, this is good. You guys, it's silly if you're not doing this, if you're not making money. This is a golden opportunity, right? No shame to anybody, because we don't know about these opportunities till we see them. So I hope you guys are getting value, and no results are basically guaranteed, right? These are all just my ideas. These are strategies that are actually working in the market right now. This does not mean that it's going to work for you, but if you put in the effort, then you're going to get the fruits of the labor. So lastly, sponsorships. That scales directly with your subscriber count. So if you've got 10, 20, 30, 50, as that newsletter list scales, people are going to want to sponsor it, right? People will be like, wow, 50,000 people on that list, and people care about it, and they're teaching good things. They're trustworthy. People would want to be involved in it, and then you're going to make even more money. So there's a lot of different ways that you're going to scale this news list. It's a great idea. If you guys are introverted, this is a better one for you, because a news list, it's different than a school community where you have to get on there and actually go live and talk to people, whatever that may be. X already is introverted because they're text posts and you don't have to make videos, reels, or whatever it is. Then a newsletter, that's basically the other half of it. X, newsletter, those two together, that's introverted man's, that's like perfect little concoction. All right, method number 3. And the ceiling is high, right? And the list is gonna, the time to revenue, it's slow. It's slow because you have to build a list, but it's worth it because it's lower. To me, I think that it's lower work, because especially because the introverted part, and it's a newsletter, and it's all the same. Once it's set up, it's kind of set up and everything like that. So you choose your heart, right? Most operators are going to start with a closer system for speed, because you get a closer on the phone with some people and they close some deals, 10K, 10K, 10K. You're going to start seeing it come in. You're going to love that. But you could then layer media and monthly recurring revenue for durable equity, because you add those two in. Because if you just wanted to skip the AI systems totally, you could layer something like this in, a school community or a newsletter or both. Layer that into your business. That way you have monthly recurring revenue on top of sending people in to close close on a high ticket coaching program. So there's my take on it. And that about wraps up module number 2. All right, diving into the good stuff. Module number 3, your tech stack and the unfair advantage. What is this unfair advantage? What is our cheat code? What are we, me, you, and all the other digital creators out there? What are we going to do to make sure that these people convert and make sure that we make some serious money? That's what this module is about. DM conversion funnels, time block batching, and the retweet circle. Let's get into it. All right, so what's the difference between passive links versus active triggers? So passive link would be that standard bio link. You know, that link in bio that you're telling everybody to go to. That is very passive. The readers must leave and click at their own initiative after the attention drops. So it's not going to convert as well. And the capture rate, a small fraction, even whatever advice I was able to give you here, I hope that I gave you the building blocks that you needed to do something with this on your own, because the ball is in your court now. What you do next depicts your entire future. This falls on you. Your family's counting on you. I wish well for you. In the future, I'll probably open up coaching and I'll actually start teaching people about this. For now, I just have the guide down below that you guys can check out. I have some resources down there. If you need any help, check out everything I have in the description. I'll be sure to post more videos on this going forward. So subscribe to the channel and I will see you guys on the next one. Thank you so much. And this is Emperor Jefe signing off.